what role do non-tariff measures, such as the restrictions on U.S. businesses in China, play in China's relations strategy?
Well, China has been ready and preparing for this for the last 8 years. So everything has been kind of put into the equation. They were anticipating there could be tariffs from anywhere from nothing to 60%. Obviously, 20% is somewhere at the lower mid-range. You'll note that they immediately set their own tariffs, especially on agricultural goods aimed at the heartland, which was an area of strong support for Donald Trump. And we'll see what comes after that, assuming that Trump retaliates. In terms of non-tariff goods, these are restrictions. They're exactly the same. The U.S. is intent on basically containing China, and this is part of Trump's game plan.
Mm-hmm. So, Professor Jake, how does the trade war between China and the United States affect the global economic stability, and what are the potential long-term consequences?
Good morning. Well, with regard to the consequences, many economists say that the consequences of the tariffs will be seen in April, especially in the Chinese economy. Now, given the fact as well that the world economy relies a lot on China as it's the factory of the world and the driving force of globalization, any serious crisis we could have in China would have global repercussions. And moreover, in this tit-for-tat game, on tariffs, it could harm both China and the US in the mid to the long term as well. Moreover, both could try to harm each other, but there is always a limit that would be through the economic consequences created. Moreover, China could, for example, release the US bonds and debts on the market, and it could harm as well the US. So there'll be a tit-for-tat game, but we'll see where they will put the limits on how it will harm their respective economies.